All right, guys. Hey, it's Ken Smyers and Eric Stromquist from Controltrends. We are day 3 surviving Bourbon Street and enjoying all the great stuff that's happening down here with our correspondents from Mexico, Alfredo and Carlos from MRSolutions. That's Mr. Solutions, which that probably plays really well down on Bourbon Street when you say, the girls say, what do you do? And you go, we're Mr. Solutions.
Yes. They keep on pouring, so it was working.
Yeah, there you go. So guys, what do you think of the show so far?
I'm incredibly amazed because of the size, the variety, and a lot of people that we're meeting and new connections that we're developing for our region here.
Awesome. And you guys are systems integrators in Mexico and our correspondents down there. So for our viewers who might have missed the first episode of Viva la Mexico, tell them a little about what you guys do.
Well, what we do, we're systems integrators. We are integrating everything with Niagara now in Mexico. We're doing a lot of buildings, and there's just a lot of technology flowing down to Mexico. Lots of opportunities, lots of construction going on. There's millionaires investments, over 22 billion being invested during the next 6 years in Mexico, new buildings. So it's a great market. There's great opportunities, and we're trying to catch every one of them.
Very, very cool.
Well, it's very interesting. There's two of you here because there's so many different tracks in business. There's the business track, there's the developer track, and the applications track. Which one? Who's going to where? Who's the business guy and who's the technician here in the bunch?
He's the business guy, I'm the tech guy. We came with a relation of 3 more people, so we have pretty much one in each track.
Oh, great.
And we're trying to change impressions and switch to the next track and try to get all of the data we can gather from.
Yeah, because there's just so much information. Once upon a time we had that interview and you had said that the most important factor with the customer decision was price. And how price, is that still the same way as it was when we last spoke about it?
I think it is. I don't think that's ever going to change. Construction companies will always look for price because they're trying to get their costs of construction down. But you know what? Technology is taking a step in there. People are starting to enjoy technology. People are trying to look at the new technologies, how to better use their technology, how to better improve efficiency in their buildings. So technology is becoming an important factor of decision nowadays in Mexico.
Great, good news.
Very, very, very cool. And so you guys, anything that's really stood out here at the show that's impressed you a lot?
Well, I've been very impressed with Tritium, which is, they're the host for us. That Niagara 4, we are looking forward to implementing that technology. As a matter of fact, we're already implementing 2 buildings with the Niagara 4 technology. That's been great. Everything has been, it's been just great. There's a lot of technology, but I think Tritium is really stepping out for us.
Very, very cool. And I think you guys do EasyIO as well, right? Honeywell, EasyIO. What other product lines do you guys work with?
Allerton, Johnson Controls, and we're working with multi-brand. We're really truly integrators. Our scope is to integrate not only automation, but also building security, life safety, access control, and we're really a one-stop shop for a building developer.
It's awesome. You guys are out of Mexico City, right?
Yes, we are out of Mexico City.
All right, so Mike Marston, Mexico City would probably be a fantastic location for an EasyIO Global event, or even a Tritium event. What do you guys think?
Absolutely.
We're trying to convince them to go to Cancun and Los Cabos, so they probably say okay to that places.
You probably would. Listen, guys, thanks so much. We'll get you guys back on the show. Our correspondents in Mexico, Alfredo and Carlos Roman.
Roman. Thank you very much.
From MRSolutions.com. Soluciones.com.
MRSoluciones.com.
Right, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Well done. You guys are just pros.